Welcome back to the HSE tutorials. In today's video, we'll cover an important Nebosh Igc 1 question. What actions can enforcement authorities take if an employer fails their safety duties? We all know employers must keep workplaces safe, but if they don't, there are legal consequences. Let's break it down in simple terms. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to HSE tutorials. When an employer fails to meet their legal health and safety duties, enforcement bodies can take the following actions. 1. Verbal or written advice and warnings. Inspectors may issue informal verbal advice or formal written warnings, highlighting observed breaches and requiring improvements within a specified time frame. Second, improvement notices. Issued when a serious breach is identified that doesn't pose an immediate risk. Employers must correct the issue within a given period, e.g., 21 days, failing which further action may follow. Third, prohibition notices, used when there is a high risk of personal injury or imminent danger. This requires immediate cessation of the unsafe activity until corrective measures are taken. No appeals delay enforcement. Fourth, prosecution in criminal courts. If the breaches are serious or not rectified, enforcement authorities may prosecute the employer. Penalties may include unlimited fines, depending on severity and jurisdiction, possible criminal charges against individuals, e.g., directors or managers. Courts can also order corrective actions or confiscation of dangerous equipment.